Hello everyone, hello cocktail connoisseur. It is an absolute pleasure to be here with you today. My name is Davide Norcini and I'm the assistant manager of Stravinsky Parfumerie, this new opening that we just launched. It is a pleasure to present you the first cocktail that we created for this beautiful new opening. So, it's a twist on an Espresso Martini and it's gonna be called Café all'Ateneo. We start by chilling, of course, a martini glass. And then we're gonna do a little working flair to make a little bit of show. There you go. We start with a rum that is being infused with cocoa. So it's gonna be 45 ml. Then we continue with a grenade liqueur that is gonna be 15 ml. There you go. And then we finish, well, actually we follow with reduction of Guinness, okay? The stout is gonna be 15 ml. And then cold brew coffee. Of course, we cannot miss coffee in an espresso martini. 30 ml. There you go. We have everything in the shaker, and now we're gonna need to give it a nice shake. There you go, guys. And now we're just gonna serve it in this beautiful chilled martini glass. Nice. So the concept of this bar is to use ingredients that usually are used in the in perfumes. So in this case, we're not gonna give it a garnish, but the garnish that we want to give to all the cocktails that we're gonna make in this beautiful bar is, this is the perfume, is bitter orange. We're gonna use it and spray it a couple times in here and also a couple times in here to perfume also the cocktail glass. So this is the new concept. I hope you guys like it. Café all'Ateneo for everyone. Enjoy.